Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I am excited guys because I'm trying out the new Garnier Fructis style products, and this is from their Curl Treat line. So in this collection, they have a total of 3 products. They have the Butter Hydrating, the Smoothie Defining, and the Jelly Shaping. So each of these products look like they do something different. It sounds like they do something different. So I just decided to cocktail them all together. It only made sense. It's winter time and sometimes my hair needs a little bit of extra product, and so I decided to start off with the Butter Hydrating. Now the Butter Hydrating has a thick consistency. It's very thick. I believe it's the thickest one out of all of them. In order to get that section evenly coated, I had to really use a Tangle Teezer brush to distribute it throughout my hair. For the hydrating butter, it does say that it's for normal to coarse hair. I don't really know what normal means, but they said that it's for normal to coarse hair. The next product I layered on was the Smoothie Defining. Now, the Smoothie Defining also has a thick consistency, and according to Garnier, they said that this is for fine to normal hair. Again, the way they categorized it to me doesn't make any sense. How do you know if your hair is normal or not? Or like, I don't know. To me, that just didn't make any sense. But I went ahead and I layered it on anyways, just because I wanted some help to define my curls. Now, they all say that they are leave-in stylers. I don't know if that's like in the curly world community, a leave-in is usually a conditioner, and that's usually the foundation that you start off with. But I guess in the Garnier world is different. I don't know. And then I topped everything off with the Jelly Shaping Jelly. I guess that's what it's called. And this one had like a custard-like consistency. It wasn't thick, but it wasn't runny. And when you like spread it out in your hands, it did turn a little bit watery. I was a little bit generous with this product just because I did want my hair to have really good hold, because I actually wanted my hair to last. On the packaging, it didn't say anything about giving it a firm hold. Unless it did, I missed it. But this could have been the product that made my hair feel tacky and sticky. Honestly, I don't know, because when you cocktail all the products, you really don't know. I would have to try them individually to see which one it was. But I did notice that when I applied all the products, I was having some white residue, which for me, honestly, is fine, because I usually do layer 3 products in my hair and I always get some kind of white residue, and it's nothing scrunching it out with a cotton t-shirt can't fix. So there was no problem with that for me, but I did see that it looked like it was building up. Like it didn't look like it was like blending together. If that makes sense, if you can see like my scalp had some buildup. So that was the only part that I was a little concerned with. But overall, the curls looked really nice. There was a bit of frizz, which I noticed, but I didn't really pay attention to because, again, you know, some products do that. Not all products are meant to give like the best definition, but for the amount of product that I was layering on, I was hoping I had like crazy definition, which I did. Honestly, I'm not going to say I didn't, but you guys will see when my hair dries, there is some type of frizz there. So all I did is that I took a cotton t-shirt, I scrunched it out, and I just repeated this exact process throughout my entire hair. As usual, I always style with the Demon or the Tangle Teezer brush. Those two have been my favorite at the moment. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did. My wet results look amazing. Like it looks like any other wash and go. Honestly, there's definition, there's moisture, there's hydration. It looks really, really nice. So I was excited to see what my dry results will look like. As always, I diffuse my hair. So I went in and I diffused my hair with my diffuser, and then I separated any clumped curls And these are my dry results. Now, my dry results, I'm not gonna lie, guys, it looks really, really nice. Like, there's a lot of definition, there's a lot of volume. There wasn't really a cast. I separate my curls, so usually during the separation process, like, there's not a cast, but there wasn't a cast, and overall, like, it looked pretty good, but I just didn't like how it felt on day one. All right, guys, so it is now the following day, and this is day 2 hair. This is what my hair looks like. I did a little hairstyle. I did a braid coming from here all the way across, and let's talk about the products, shall we? I cocktail all 3 products. I forgot to mention the price. They're each retail for $6.99 in Target. So I ended up using all 3 products, and honestly, guys, I would not suggest you guys to cocktail all 3 products. I wouldn't necessarily say that I was like super heavy-handed, because the smoothie and the butter, they're both super thick. The hydrating butter has a thicker consistency than the smoothie, but either way, they're both still very, very thick. And although they're both very thick, I don't feel, the problem here is not that my curls are way down. I really don't feel like my hair is way down at all. If you guys can see, it doesn't look like it's producty. Like, it doesn't look like I have a lot of product in my hair. However, it feels gross, like, to the touch. Like, I really don't like the way it feels when I touch my hair. Like, I feel like it's sticky, and this is day 2, so it doesn't feel as bad, but it does feel like it's very like producty, and I don't like how it feels. I think it's because maybe you weren't supposed to use all 3 products together, or maybe you're just supposed to use one product at a time. To me, I just thought it made sense to use all 3 products together, so that's why I use it like that, because they each said they would do something different. So I thought if I would cocktail them all together, I'll have amazing results. My hair looks good. I'm not taking away from it. It doesn't look bad. I mean, I do have some frizz for it being day 2 hair, and on day 1 I had some frizz going on, but honestly, guys, don't cocktail the products together. I don't think they're meant to be cocktail. I don't like the way my hair feels, but I like the way it looks. It's very weird. Although it looks good, I'm still going to wash my hair today. This is day 2, and I can't stand the way it feels. Even to just do this hairstyle was like a hassle. It just feels really, really like producty. It just feels like I have a lot of product in my hair, but my curls are not way down, so it's weird. So yeah, those are my final thoughts on this 3 new Garnier products. They're all curly girl friendly, no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones. I still would recommend for you to try it, but just not together. I'm gonna try it again individually and maybe cocktail them with something else, but I would definitely not use them all together. It was just way too much, and I just don't like how it feels overall. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you're still going to try out the products, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you've tried them already. Again, they're available at Target. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but they're available at Target online in case you guys want to check them out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I really have nothing else to say about this little combo, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.